Oh my god, guys, I can't believe I'm finally gonna say it. But happy September. Oh my god. The most exciting months are finally here again, and I couldn't be happier about it. And do you know what that means? What is the first video that I always kick off with for these amazing months? That's right, decorate for autumn with me. Oh my god, guys, honestly, I have been counting down the days for this day, really. But yeah, happy September, guys. I hope you are feeling cozy. I hope you are in the cozy mood, the fall vibes, the autumn vibes. We'll get the baking. The Great British Bake Off's gonna start soon. We've got the candles burning. I've currently actually got a pumpkin candle burning. It smells so good. I honestly am just so excited, guys. Okay, I normally decorate on September the 1st. I might be doing it a tad early this year. It is the 31st of August, so technically it is still summer, but autumn for me starts September the 1st, right? You guys know this, and that is tomorrow. And but basically I have things going on tomorrow. Okay, so I really wanted to enjoy this process. You know, I love decorating for the seasons in the house, or this is actually the first time I've decorated the house for autumn. I've only ever decorated the flat, so this is super exciting. But yeah, I wanted to make a full thing of it. Billy is out, he's out with his friends watching the football, and that is the most perfect time for me to decorate for autumn. I can't wait. So as you can see, I've got the ambiance going. We have some like autumn cozy vibe situation on the TV. I've just got like a YouTube video on. We've got the fire on. Is this not the most cozy vibe? I'm so excited, guys, you have no idea. So before Billy left, I got him to get all of our autumn decor down so I could decorate. So I will just quickly run through bits and pieces that we have. Let me try and like pop you up. I mean, you guys, you probably have seen all this stuff anyway. If you, I feel like I need to tie my hair up for this occasion. I need to get a claw clip. If you have been subscribed to me for a while, you'll probably recognise a lot of this decor, but I did pick up a couple new bits this year. But I'm at the stage now where I feel like really lucky. I've got quite a collection, guys. I've got quite an autumn collection, and the same with my Christmas. I've got quite the collection from, we've been moved out now, just Billy and I, for around like 3 years, I want to say now. So over that time I've accumulated, is that the word? Accumulate, yeah. I've accumulated a lot of decor, which I'm very passionate about. I love it. It's literally like my hobby, right? Autumn, Christmas, it's my hobby. It's my personality. Yeah, it is. But I love all the bits and pieces that we have. I literally love them so much. So I'm quickly going to run through bits and pieces we've got. And yeah, let's get decorating. I'm so excited. Also, we went shopping yesterday, Westfield, and I picked this up from Bath and Body Works. Glazed pumpkin body mist. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. What is this actually like? What does it say? The notes are vanilla. You can literally taste. No, you can't taste it. Don't taste it. You can smell the vanilla. Vanilla glaze, caramel woods, pumpkin cream, inspired by delicious fall treats. Yes, please. So yeah, I picked up some autumn fashion-y bits yesterday and last weekend. I've actually bought loads of autumn fashion pieces, which I'm so excited about, because it really just feels like we're going into a new season. I've got some new bits. I'm gonna be excited to put on some cute outfits, get my Pinterest boards out, love it. But yeah, this video I'm not going to show you the bits and pieces I picked up. I might include them in like a weekly vlog like next week or something. But I have been filming some like new in reels and stuff over on my IG and TikTok as well. So if you want to see stuff in real time, go follow me over there because I post pretty like quickly over on those platforms. But let's get into it. First off, oh my god, this just kicks it all off, doesn't it? Hey there, pumpkin. How cute is this doormat? I've had this for a couple of years now and I literally love it. I'm pretty sure I bought this. Where did I buy this? Maybe like the Range, I want to say. Because the Range do some really cute like doormats seasonal. So I've got that. This bowl, it does need a clean because it's been up in the loft. But how cute is that? It's just a little serving dish with a pumpkin. These pieces I picked up this year. So this sign for the coffee station area I thought would be so cute. These pieces are just from Primark. And also this little pumpkin, again for the coffee station area. And I also picked up, let me grab it. Also some candles and stuff, but I'll just pop them out and then show you like what it all looks like at the end. I'm so excited. But yeah, I got this throw from Primark. I really wanted an autumn throw because we love our blankets during like the autumn and Christmas months. And I thought this one was gorgeous and it's super thick, so I feel like it's going to be so warm. This was £20, which I thought was actually really good for, like, it feels really good quality. Oh my god, this is my wreath, guys. This is my wreath. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at my wreath. This is actually gorgeous. Isn't this so gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, I've got my garland. But guys, I actually don't know where I'm going to put my garland this year. So this is my garland and I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Love it. But yeah, normally I put this on my TV unit, but we don't have a TV unit anymore because we got the media wall built. And I don't have, you know, in the hallway in the flat, I had that console table. We got rid of it. We actually gave it to my mum because it just didn't really have a place here anymore. We did originally have it on this wall in the living room, but it just felt too much with the media wall. And I want to get like some prints put on the wall there. So yeah, at the minute I don't have anywhere really to put this garland unless I put it like underneath the TV on the media wall, but I don't think that's gonna look right. So that's gonna be quite sad if I can't use it. What else have we got in here? Oh! Ah, little pumpkin. Oh my god, there's so much stuff. Okay, that's Christmas. Keep that in there. We've got another cute little plate. Boo. This one's got a chip on it, that's sad. And then loads of like signs and stuff. Lots of signs. We've got loads of candles. Oh my god, these, I forgot about these guys. Who remembers these? Boo. They were so cute. In the flat. Oh my god, this smells like autumn. I cannot cope. I cannot cope. Okay, so the rest is all like candles and other pumpkins and stuff like that. So I've got all of that. What else we got? Oh, we've got some cushions. These cushions are super cute. So we've got the little hedgehog guy. What else? We've got my pumpkins. Love this. I got this from Walmart in America. Oh, we've got some more signs. Oh, this sign is literally my pride and joy. I love it so much. Again, got this in America. Love it. I'm pretty sure we got that from Michael's, I want to say. And then just other like garlands and stuff like that. What else? Oh, other cushions. Oh, and all my mugs. We got all my mugs. Oh my god, I'm so excited to have a hot chocolate from my Velvetizer in an autumn mug. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. And to finish the day, we're ending it on a Domino's. Could you think of anything better or more cozy? If you're wondering what I got. So I got chicken kickers. Oh my god, these are so good. And then I also got, for the pizza, oh my god, look at that, a pepperoni passion pizza. Oh, yum. I mean, I definitely won't finish all of this, but just making sure it's not on the sofa. But Billy will eat the rest when he gets in from his night out. So this is how I'm going to be spending my evening. I just need to put all that in the loft. I'm just going to be chilling, eat my pizza, and then I just need to find something to watch. I don't know what to watch. I feel like I should watch something autumnal. I would put on Harry Potter, but Billy and I are going to watch Harry Potter tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just going to find something to watch, eat my pizza, and have a nice cozy evening. But I hope you enjoyed this decorate for autumn 2025 with me. I can't quite believe it's 2025 and near the end of 2025. It's crazy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.